Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about one of the greatest scientists of all time, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. As a child, Einstein was curious and loved to ask questions. He didn't speak until he was 4 years old, which worried his parents. But when he started school, he quickly became known for his brilliant mind. Einstein didn't like the strict rules of school, and sometimes his teachers thought he wouldn't succeed. But he loved to study on his own, especially about math and physics. His passion for learning helped him understand the world in new ways. In 1905, Einstein introduced the world to his famous theory of relativity, which changed how we think about time, space, and energy. This is where his most famous equation comes from, E=mc². This means that energy and matter are related and can be converted into one another. Einstein moved to the United States in 1933 to escape Nazi persecution. He spent the rest of his life studying and teaching, helping to shape modern science. He died in 1955, but his ideas live on, inspiring scientists around the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Albert Einstein, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about great minds.